Hi and welcome back to the channel. So as you can see, I have another box here, and again I ordered some things from Funko Europe, still not sponsored, and for me it's been a little while that I ordered something, so I'm really looking forward to this. So let's unbox this one. This, again, so nicely and secure packaged. I really love it. First, I'm going to try to open one of the protector things. So the first thing that I ordered, it is Linda from Bob Burgers the movie, and this one is Bikini Burger Linda, and I really love the details on this little burger costume, and she's so cute. And here on the back you can see the others, and I do already have young Bob Belcher. So maybe today we can make the family complete. So I'm going to put Linda here. The next thing I got, it is Louise, and she's from the same family. So this is Louise in the Itty Bitty Ditty Committee, and she is also from Bob's Burgers the movie. So the next one is going to be Gene, and Gene is also in his little burger costume and a part of the Itty Bitty Ditty Committee. Okay, so 3 more things to go, and the next one is Tina, and Tina is also a part of the Itty Bitty Ditty Committee, and she is the last one for this collection, so I've got this one complete. Okay, so I have 2 more things to go, and the next one, I'm so happy with this one, because it is Ahsoka. So I really love her, and at this moment on Disney Plus, the first 3 episodes are online, and I can't wait to see the others. And this Ahsoka is from the Mandalorian series collection, and here on the back you can see the others, and I would really love to have them all. Okay, now for the last one, it's not a pop, but it's a soda. And I've got the Corpse Bride. Okay, so let's put this down. Oh, light. Okay, let's put Ahsoka here. So here you can see the Corpse Bride, and I really love Tim Burton. So I just can't wait to open this one up. So for this one, I don't know what the chase looks like, but it's going to pop up in the screen somewhere here. I think there. This one, and I really love the blue colors on her and how they did this. Ooh, she's so beautiful. Look at her. This one really is so beautifully done with all the details. Okay, so I'm going to put her here, and I think it's just a normal one. Here's the plug flipper thing, and it says Corpse Bride, and it's 1 out of 4,200. Okay, so this is everything that I got this time, and I'm really so happy that I've completed this collection from Bob Burger the movie. And I really love my Ahsoka, and I really do love this soda as well, so I am really happy with this order. So I really hope you like this unboxing video as well, and if you liked it, please like this video and subscribe to my channel, because it helps me out so much, and hopefully I will see you next time. Okay, so the last one I'm going to... Okay, so as I said, I have... Oh no.